Francis received his mission, we know this well, in that completely dilapidated church of San Damiano, in front of the crucifix. He heard the voice of Jesus telling him, Francis, can you not see that my church is falling into ruins? Go, rebuild my house. So it is that from that crucifix, speaking to Francis, I think you have an image, Deb, of that crucifix, speaking to Francis, as you see there, that dilapidated church. Francis would then begin his mission. He had confidence that God had given him an enormous mission and nothing would stop him. It went as far as leaving his homeland, joining the papal crusades, to the religious lights in the Holy Land, meeting there with the Sultan, the ruler of Egypt, Syria, Palestine, that same Sultan who had ordered that a gold piece should be given for the head of every Christian who was slain. Yes, Francis went to him. But perhaps the greatest sufferings for Francis, again I repeat, holiness through the struggle, through the difficulties, came from within the order that he had founded. We find this very often with the founders of great religious orders. Upon returning from the Crusades, Francis found brothers who wanted to go their own ways. They wanted learning. So others wanted greater comfort rather than absolute poverty. Even in his later years, he died, as we know, when he was just 44. It led to a certain depression, a dark night in Francis. It's like Mother Teresa in many ways, exacerbated by physical problems. By the end of his life, Francis was half blind. How did he and Clare persevere in the call entrusted to them? How did they hold on to that vision? First of all, through prayer. At a time when he wanted to give everything up, and maybe you've experienced that in your marriage or your priesthood or whatever God has called you to in your life, Francis at that very moment writes in his testament what he heard the Lord saying to him. And these words I repeat to you. Why are you sad? Is not your order my order? Am I not its chief shepherd? Stop troubling yourself and look rather to your own salvation. Is not your order my order? Am I not its chief shepherd? Is that a word that consoles you today? In front of the difficulties, the challenges you and I are facing?
Hi, are you ready to get back together with people and talk about our faith? Think about joining us on an Inside the Vatican pilgrimage. Go to InsideTheVaticanPilgrimages.com and see all our latest pilgrimages. Come join us on pilgrimage.